Good morning, students. So in this video we will continue our chapter number 5, that is life in the northern plains. So in the previous video we have studied about some of the states that lies in northern plains like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Now let's discuss about the next state that lies in the northern plain, that is West Bengal. West Bengal is located on the plains of river Ganga. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. So the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata and it lies on the plains of river Ganga. The main occupation of people living in West Bengal is farming and fishing. These are the two occupations in which people are engaged. Next, crops. Which are the crops that grown in West Bengal? Rice is the main crop that is grown here. The other crops are jute, wheat, potatoes and oil seeds. Now let's discuss about the industries. Some of the important industries in West Bengal are jute industry. Jute, that is the raw material get from the West Bengal. Jute is a crop that is grown in West Bengal. West Bengal is suitable for the cultivation of jute, so that's why there is a jute industry. Textile, oil refining, automobile, shipbuilding and iron and steel. These are some of the industries. Silk industry of Murshidabad, steel plants at Durgapur, coal mines at Raniganj and the locomotive factory. Locomotive means beta as like locomobile, automatic automation in which electric things are made. So locomotive factory which makes electric and diesel railway engines at Chittaranjan are some of the other industries. Now the tourist places in West Bengal. Fort William and Victoria Memorial are some of the monuments of tourist interest in West Bengal. The Howrah Bridge, Dakshineshwar Temple Complex, Belur Math and Shantiniketan are the other important places in West Bengal. So these are the important tourist places in West Bengal. Now diet, that what is the diet taken by the people of West Bengal? Rice and fish are the staple food of the people here. Rice and fish that is eaten by the people of West Bengal. They love to eat sweets and Rasgulla and Sandesh. These are the two popular sweets of West Bengal which are also popular in all over our country, India. Dresses, that what kind of dresses people wear? Generally, men in West Bengal wear dhoti and kurta while women wear saris. So it is the traditional dress of West Bengal that men wear dhoti and kurta and women wear saris. Their saris are different. Like you have also seen the traditional dress or traditional sari of Bengali women, the white saris with a huge red border, that is the traditional dress. Now the next state, that is Assam. The next state in the northern plain, that is Assam. Assam lies on the Brahmaputra basin and is the largest state in the northeast. In the previous chapter we have studied that the northern plain, it is made up of three basins: Indus basin, Ganga basin and Brahmaputra basin. So the state Assam, it lies on the Brahmaputra basin and is the largest state in the northeast. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Now the occupation of Assam. River Brahmaputra enters India from Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam, making it fertile. Agriculture is the main occupation of the state. So here is the river Brahmaputra that flow here and it makes the area fertile, and that's why agriculture is the main occupation of the state. These are the important crops: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane and potato which are grown in state Assam. Now the tea gardens. You all know that the Assam is famous for its tea gardens. So Assam is also known as the land of tea gardens, as there are over 850 tea plantations accounting for about 50% of India's tea production. Yes, so about 50% of India's tea production we get from only Assam. There are the huge tea plantations in Assam. Now the important industries. There are many industries in Assam, like oil refineries at Digboi, petrochemical and fertilizers at Namrup, and chemical factories at Guwahati. Some of other industries that include sugar mills, jute mills, and silk processing factories. So these are the industries. But as you all know that the industries are based on the availability of raw material, that what particular raw material is available from that area, that industry is developed in that area. So we have discussed about many states in the northern plains, and every state has some specific industries just because of the availability of raw material, and that raw material we get from the minerals, metals, and from agriculture. Next is tourist places. The places of tourist interest in Assam include the Kamakya temple, the wildlife sanctuaries of Manas for tigers, and Kaziranga for the one-horned rhino. So these are the tourist attraction places. Diet. The people of Assam eat rice, fish, chapati, and vegetables. So this is the staple food, or this is the diet of people of Assam: rice, fish, chapati, and vegetable. Now the dresses. Men generally wear dhoti and shirt, while women wear mekha chadar. Mekha chadar is their traditional dress of women in Assam. Dance. Bihu is the popular dance of the state. Bihu is the traditional dance of Assam. Now the next state in the northern plain, that is Delhi, the capital of India, the National Union Territory. Delhi is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh on one side and Haryana on the other three sides. So Delhi is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh on one side and Haryana from three sides. The river Yamuna flows through Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. River Yamuna that flow through Delhi, and the capital of our India, as you all know, that is New Delhi. Now the tourist places in Delhi. Delhi has many tourist places like Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, and Purana Killa are some of the famous historical monuments situated in Delhi. Now important landmarks like Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Rajghat, and India Gate are also located in Delhi. So these are the important landmarks: Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament House, Rajghat, and India Gate. These are also located in Delhi.